Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. By the title you guys see in today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review, reviewing the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed Recipes Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. And this hair mask is for natural curls, coils, and waves. So if you guys would like to see how the mask works on my hair, continue watching. Alright you guys, so I did already actually use this product, I just never reviewed it. And this is what the hair mask looks like. It has a nice color to it. This is the consistency of it. It's really creamy and it's not too thick and it's not too liquidy. To me, it's like the perfect consistency. And I already washed my hair. I washed my hair with the Krown Hydrating Peppermint shampoo. And I really like this shampoo because it makes my hair soft and it also gives my scalp a cooling, tingling sensation. So if you guys would like to purchase this shampoo, then I'll have my discount code in the description box down below. And I'm going to put my hair into 4 sections and then I'm going to be right back to start putting the mask on my hair. Alright y'all, so I already detangled this section off camera and now I'm going to start with my spray bottle just to saturate the section before I apply the hair mask. And I'm going to start off using this much of the hair mask. And when you smell this hair mask, it kind of smells like shea butter, but it has like a hint of like a fragrance, but it has like a hint of like a floral type of scent. Once I do apply the hair mask, I like to separate the section into smaller sections, just to make sure that I'm getting all the hair masks on each section of my hair. Now I'm going to go in with my Tangle Teaser just to work the product through my hair. And as you all can see, this mask is gliding right through my hair. And as you all can see, I'm able to finger detangle my hair. So I really like this mask and how it helps my hair feel soft. And it also moisturizes my hair as well. And I also forgot to mention that I like to make sure I get my ends coated with the hair mask. I'm going to add a little bit more of the mask to this section, just to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized. And once I feel like I have enough product on the section, I twist it up and then I'll move on to the next section. Y'all, I just wanted to show y'all that when I use my Tangle Teaser, like my curls clump together. Yeah, like I love using a good deep conditioner and then my Tangle Teaser. because the Tangle Teezer helps to distribute the hair mask, and the Tangle Teezer also helps to clump my curls together. And if I feel like my hair is getting dry at the ends, I like to apply more of the hair mask just to ensure that all my strands are getting nice and saturated with the hair mask. Alright you guys, so I just finished applying the hair mask to the right side of my head. And this is what my hair is looking like right now. And I'm going to finish the left side of my head off camera, and then I'm going to come back when I'm done. Alright you guys, so I'm finished with applying the hair mask on my hair. And now I'm just going to use my plastic cap, and then I'm going to use my thermal hot head, so that way the hair mask can penetrate through my hair. And I already put this in the microwave. I did 45 seconds on each side. And this says to leave this in for 5 minutes. But I'm actually about to eat lunch now, so I'm going to come back after I rinse my hair out and after I'm done eating. Alright you guys, so I'm back from rinsing out the hair mask. And y'all, when I tell y'all my hair was soft, my hair was really soft with this hair mask. And my hair was easy to detangle as well. And as you guys can see right here, I'm showing you guys that I was able to run my fingers through my hair with ease. And I didn't have any tangles or anything stopping me. And I just want to let y'all know that this Aunt Jackie's Flaxeseed Recipes Intensive Conditioning Hair Mask is definitely one to not sleep on. And if you haven't already tried this product out, you definitely should. But that's all I have for today's video, Faith Gang. I just wanted to show you guys this product review, and I wanted to tell you guys how I feel about the hair mask. And if you enjoyed this video and haven't already subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join the Faith Gang. And don't forget to hit the post notification button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. So with that being said, I hope you guys remember to stay prayed up and remember faith over fear. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Faith Gang. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have a new business that I started called the Beauty Unleashed Collection. And I officially launched my business maybe about a week ago, I want to say. And today is July 7th, which is Blackout Tuesday. Today is the day where you shop Black-owned businesses. And if you aren't actually financially stable to shop, I would love to know that I have you guys' support by you guys following my Instagram page and by you guys just like sharing my business just to get me out there. But with that in mind, I'm going to stop talking now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Faith Gang.